Cooltron Heatsink department was established in 2011. Cooltron's industry-leading thermal management technologies have been widely used in various applications fields such as commercial LED lighting, horticultural lighting, telecom and networking, energy, automotive, consumer electronics, medical, and more. Through years, Cooltron has successfully helped resolving Cooltron worldwide customers' overheat problems in different projects, from large-size high-power telecom equipment, LED lighting fixtures, to small-size low-power set-top box, game console, and LED downlights. Cooltron's 600 watts grow light is the typical example of those successful projects that utilizes Cooltron's patented heat pipes technologies for absolute surface flatness less than 0.1 millimeters for minimum thermal resistance, and combined extrusion and stamping technologies to drop PCB temperature at least 15 degrees lower than the industry average. Cooltron's total thermal management solutions and full services starting from application system analysis, budgeting, custom designs, computer CFD thermal simulation, prototype till mass production, and after services provide customers one-stop shopping conveniences. Also, Cooltron's many years custom designs and manufacturing experience for world-class customers has won us a worldwide reputation and ensure Cooltron's heatsink products quality guarantee.